Hello friends, it's a hot day. Again, there's a vendor across the street. They have Mexican fruit drinks. Mango. Ah, yummy. Anyway, that's not what the video's about. It's Dad's car. So, we were talking about the rinseless washes. He knows that Mr. Ivan sent me several products to play around with, give him a try, and then he did ask me to let him know how it goes. Well, I'm just gonna make a video. So, this car has always been rinseless washed with O&R. Now, my dad is a very big fan of O&R. So he said to try the DIY detail rinseless on his car, and if it works the same or better, then it's got his seal of approval. So let's get started. Alrighty friends, the BMW is done, and it's looking good. It always does look good, but I take good care of it. I get paid to take care of this booger. But this one is going to get some paint work done. You know, it's got a lot of rock chips and stuff down below. Now, being my dad's, it's going to have wheelchair damage, which is right down here. And there's a few other spots on the vehicle that need to be painted. Then we're going to polish it, make sure we get all of the swirls, because I don't have a way to show you, but there are quite a few when you really get in and look at it. But we're going to polish it up, and we're going to put a 5-year coating on it. So hopefully here soon we'll get a response on whether or not my dad likes that DIY detail rinseless. So I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys. I sure do appreciate it. Don't forget, you can order the rinseless wash. You want to save yourself a little bit of money, I do have a coupon code and an affiliate link. You'll find that in the description box. See you later, guys. You know how it goes. Peace.